In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in GitHub Pages. This is useful when you're managing a website hosted on GitHub and want to make quick updates directly from your browser. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel where you'll find your repositories. Click on the repository that contains your GitHub Pages website. Once you're inside the repository, browse through the files and locate the code file you want to edit. This could be an HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or another file used by your website. Click on the file to open it. You'll see the file contents in a read-only view. Next, look toward the upper right area of the file and click the Edit this file button, represented by a pencil icon. The file will now open in edit mode. Make the necessary changes to your code. Take your time to review your edits, especially if the file is part of your live website. Once you've finished editing, click Commit Changes. A confirmation window will appear where you can review your changes and add a commit message if needed. Click Commit Changes again to save your edits. GitHub Pages will then rebuild your website based on the updated files. It may take a few moments for the changes to appear on your live site. And that's it. You've successfully edited code in GitHub Pages directly from your browser. Thanks for watching.